Ya está nuestra revista de Aerografia ahora también está disponible en español. We are very happy to announce that our Airbrush Step-by-Step magazine is now available in Spanish language. It is called Aerografia and it's also published 4 times a year. The magazine is available as e-paper version on Zinio or in our store as a printed magazine. Surely, I think in the near future you will get our magazine at your local dealer in your country. At this point, I would like to thank you all Spanish-speaking airbrush artists all over the world who have given us a lot of requests for this Spanish version. But 3 people have to be specially named. They have helped, researched and discussed with us how to bring a Spanish version to the market. So, very special thanks to Hugo Maciel from Spain, to Ivan Luperena from Mexico City, and also many thanks to Angus Alcantara, the multi-talented. He helped us with the translation. We hope you like the magazine. Please give us a feedback if we can do something better in the future, and feel free to send us suggestions for articles or send motifs for the reader's gallery. It only remains for me to say, have fun with the magazine Aerografia.